Hello everyone, Radical Dude here, and today we're going to learn about the triangle inequality theorem. Inequality theorem. It's very simple. It says if C is the larger side, if C is the larger side of the triangle, then the two smaller sides must be bigger than the larger side. The two smaller sides must be bigger than the larger side. I'll give you an example. I have two pens for two of the smaller sides, and I'm going to make it with the side of this. Now, if the two pens, when I add the two pens, if they are bigger than the third side, which you can see they are, you can make a triangle like that. See? Make a triangle. But if the two pens together are not bigger than the third side, for example, this smart board, if they are not bigger, you cannot make a triangle because I cannot get the point to reach from here all the way down there, so I cannot make a triangle with the smart board. This height of the smart board is too long, so these two can't. Another way to look at it is if you have two people in a boat, two small people in a boat. They have to be together. These two small people have to be bigger than the biggest person. Otherwise, the biggest person is going to control everything. So the two little guys have to be together, have to be bigger than the biggest person. So, let's look at example to get an idea. Let me call this X this time. If X is the largest side, then A plus B together have to be bigger than the X. If X is the smallest side, then X plus, let's pick one of these, it doesn't matter which one. X plus A must be bigger than B. Now, solve for X. Well, X is solved here. Solve for X here. I take away A. And I have X is greater than B minus A. What does that mean? That means X is bigger than B minus A, but it's less than A plus B. So A plus B, okay, is bigger than X, and X itself is bigger than B minus A. See what I've done here? See how the arrow is pointing to the X? With the A plus B, the arrow points to the X. You see how the arrow is pointing to the B minus A? It's pointing to the B minus A. So what does that mean? That means if you give me any numbers, just say I do 3 and 5, okay? I'm making that up. Then this X, to make a triangle, it has to be less than, if we add them, right? We're adding 3 and 5. So it has to be less than 8, but bigger than, subtract these, 5 minus 3. Well, what is 5 minus 3? Take out your calculators, and you get 2. So, X has to be in between 8 and 2. That's it. That's it. That's all you have to know. So if they give you 15 and 10, and they want to say, what is X? Well, X is in between. You add them. 25, and you subtract them. So X can be any number in between 5 and 25. That is the triangle inequality theorem. Radical did, and I hope that you learned something.